What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Thank you for joining me on another video. Today, I wanted to talk about maybe something a little bit different. And I'm always trying to get into other projects, projects that I'm holding, projects that I believe in, and why I'm holding the positions. And I haven't talked about this project in a while. I believe ADA will be a big player in the cryptocurrency game, right? Where people are, investing into this to understand that this has massive amounts of utility, as well as understanding that this has a massive amount of growth potential as well, right? You have, things that are kind of in the same ballpark but have less growth potential. So something like Ethereum, right? Ethereum has growth potential, and we could see it run to a level of maybe $10,000 or something like that. And we could probably see it a lot further than that. But in the more short term, let's say a year or even 2 years, even though that would be considered long term, you may only see a level of a 5x or something like that. However, you may see a 10 or 20 or 100x of a lot of other positions. So Ethereum would be up in that level of a massive amount of utility with less of a return possibility because it's already up at a high point, while you have something like I don't know, something that's at like maybe 200 on the list that does not have a massive amount of utility, but also has a ton of potential to grow, right? 100x, 1000x, or something like that. So a lot of people want something in the middle. And something in the middle doesn't come too far down the list when it comes to market cap, because honestly, after the first two or three cryptocurrencies, that's where you start to get into places to where you see the potential of where it can get to to an all-time high, as well as to a new all-time high that it can create. And ADA is on that list, with also the likes of Solana, the likes of XRP, the likes of a lot of others that are down maybe at a lower market cap that should be up at a higher market cap. So guys, if you could, we're going to go over XRP in this, or sorry, not XRP. We're going to go over Cardano in this video. Make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. But I wanted to take some time to just talk about, Cardano a little bit. And the reason why I want to talk about it, is not because I'm thinking about investing anything into it. If you don't know, and you probably don't, because I don't talk about it much, I have a decent amount of Cardano. I have about 10,000 Cardano, which I will show you throughout this video. And that's really why I wanted to talk about it, because I do believe in it and I already have purchased it. Just because I believe in something doesn't mean that I'm going to completely push it on this channel and, sit here and try and pump the price at all. That's not really the goal of what I do here, is to pump prices. I want to see the organic volume, the organic movement that happens within a position. And I don't believe I can pump a price like Cardano anyways, because you see hundreds of millions of dollars that's going through it with an $8 billion market cap. So let's go ahead and take a look at Cardano a little bit. If you take a look at the screen here, you're going to see that Cardano is currently at 24 cents, 25 cents. It's up about 0.75% today. Again, we're seeing it at an 8 or $9 billion market cap. Volume is down about 15%, but is still at $108 million. The volume to market cap ratio doesn't really show a ton of popularity there. It already has the popularity from people that are holding it. And the reason why it doesn't have as much is because of what it does, right? It's a proof of stake consensus. So as you have a proof of stake consensus, that means that a lot of people are staking it. A lot of people are believing in it. A lot of people want to gain an APY with it. So they're holding it for a long period of time. So when we go over to places like Coinbase, for some reason I couldn't think of the name, you go over to places like Coinbase, you're going to see the typical days of hold time at 164 days, showing that people hold it for a very long period of time. I would imagine the only one, or some of the only ones that are higher than that, you'll see like Ethereum, people are holding it for a long time. Bitcoin, people are holding it for a long time. A lot of the proof of stake consensus, you're seeing them held for a decent amount of time. And one of the positions that's held that's not that is Shiba Inu, and Shiba Inu is like almost a year at this point. It's like 200 something days or something like that, which a year is like 365 days, but still it's getting up there. It's probably the longest held, one of the longest held cryptocurrencies that are out there. But you see Cardano that is there. Now, for me, as you can see here, it is sixth in popularity. I do have a balance of $2,500, which I don't have staked, earning the 2%. I wanted to have it unstaked. I guess I do have about $3 at staked. I didn't even know that because I did unstake all of it. Because Coinbase did an update to where now you have to, when you want to unstake, it's a certain amount of time to unstake, which is not crazy on Coinbase. Honestly, it's crazier elsewhere. But Cardano is a great play. I believe it has a ton of potential. And while you look at others that are out there in the cryptocurrency market, that again, Bitcoin may be at 25,000, right? The other price that it got to, the highest price that it got to was about 70,000. So let's just round up and say it was 75. That would be a 3x return. It's going to be a little more than a 3x return that's there. But then you look at Cardano and the highest price that it got to, let's scroll down here. I know it's a little bit adjusted because of the big text, but the highest price that it got to, all-time high, was $3.10. Literally, you're looking at a 10x return up to $2.40. So I believe that this can go to a level of a 20x value and increase a hell of a lot more, because I feel as though Cardano, in the bull run, you'll see it jump up way higher than where it has been at its highest market cap. Now, again, if we look at the highest market cap that it has been, if we go to all history and go to market cap, we'll see the highest market cap was a $90 billion market cap. And I believe we can see this get to that point again, and we can get a lot further than that with what Cardano really is. So proof of stake consensus goes a long way. And I guess I wanted to sit here and look at what makes Cardano different, right? Why is Cardano different from other cryptocurrencies? So you must be wondering what makes Cardano different from the dozens of proof of stake blockchains already present in the market. The main difference of Cardano is that, unlike other projects, it didn't release a white paper. Instead, it aims to scientifically peer-reviewed blockchain. Sorry, I'm having trouble seeing this. Always use the best practices to provide the optimal crypto ecosystem to achieve this. Cardano boasts the following characteristics. So layered architecture, Ouroboros, hopefully I'm saying that right, proof of stake. The second unique, I wanted to bring this part up as well. The second unique aspect of Cardano is the proprietary consensus mechanism called Ouroboros, proof of stake. In this validation mechanism, users can become full node validators or delegate their stake to other super users to validate transactions on the network. In Ouroboros, time is divided into epochs, and for each epoch, a new set of validators is voted in by the system. This allows a better, diverse, and decentralization of the pool of validators. Validators are rewarded with new ADA tokens to distribute to everyone who delegated their stake, effectively creating an opportunity for passive income. Now, the 5 advantages for Cardano for investors, basically, and people that are users: faster transactions, cheaper gas fees, higher degree of decentralization, eco-friendly, and passive income, which are big pieces to a lot, right? You want to see all of those things in one, not just a level of seeing faster transactions, because you can see fast transactions with some cryptocurrencies that are out there, but also seeing the cheaper price that goes with it, as well as seeing some passive income that you can gain from holding it for a long time. So Cardano as a whole, this is definitely not the end. This is just the beginning. You see a ton that goes from it and what the expectations are for our Cardano. But I don't want to sit here and take up all of your time talking about Cardano and the different benefits from it. I expect people that are watching videos not to just buy based on what I talk about. I want people to buy based on their research. If I open your eyes to the position and you see a ton of potential within it, then you go ahead and make that move. But it has to be 90% based on what you have researched. I don't want you guys to make a decision based on what I'm giving you. I want you to make a decision based on what you read into. That just makes it feel a whole lot better. Like you're actively investing and you're the reason why you made money, not me. I'm not the reason why anybody makes money. I'm the reason why people look at a position, right? If you see a position, it may be because of me. And then while you research it and you invest into it, that whole investment that you made, whatever it was, $100, $1,000, whatever it is, you made that investment and you're able to profit off of it and feel good about the next investment that you make without even coming to me. You're doing the same research you did, but just you are the person that's putting the new cryptocurrency in front of your face rather than me. So anyways, guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. I'm going to get out of here and I'll catch you guys in the next video. See ya.